become the best. Let me show you how to improve your body language. Let me show you how to improve your vocal variety. Let me show you how to improve your confidence. Let me show you how to improve your...
Thanks for this awesome video.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man.
Wow, I learned quite a lot. I could understand, I learned, and I could see the difference, you know.
A big problem that I see many times people face is that they're afraid of telling their opinion. They're afraid of telling the truth. So they go to the meeting, they are like being diplomatic. They come home, they are being diplomatic. They go to the friend circle and they are being diplomatic. They go to the church or the temple and they are being diplomatic. They go to a community service, they are being diplomatic. When they are facing themselves, they are being diplomatic. But here is what I need you to understand. A leader is not diplomatic. A leader is confident and courageous. And that's what a great leadership is all about. It's not about telling people what they want to hear, because sometimes what they want to hear is not the truth. They want to hear they are fat, but they want to hear that no, you're not fat. No, you have to tell that as a leader, you're fat and you can change that, and I'm going to help you. Are you ready to make that happen or not? Come on, let's do this. I'm here for you. I love you. Let's do it together. That's what a leader does. But a loser is going to say, come on, man. It's fine. You're not fat. A lot of people are fat. Let's go for some pizza and some beer. You're going to be fine. Is that a leader? Is that a good friend? No. So a leader should not be diplomatic. A leader has to be very firm and loving, gentle, kind, strong, and powerful all at the same time. So stand for what you speak. Speak what you stand for, and stand for what you speak at the same time. So if you believe in something, be proud to say that to people. If you know something is truthful and something is absolutely a fact, make sure people know about that. Because if you're a great leader, or a teacher, or a great speaker, or a mentor, you don't tell people what they want to hear. You want to tell people what they need to hear. When people come to the Confident Speaker Conference, they expect many times that I'm going to just say, yeah, you're fine, you're the best. No, you're not the best, and here is how you can become the best. Let me show you how to improve your body language. Let me show you how to improve your vocal variety. Let me show you how to improve your confidence. Let me show you how to improve your eye connection. Let me show you how to improve your spontaneous speaking skills. Let me show you how to become a better speaker on the stage. Let me show you how to improve your spontaneous speaking skills. Let me show you how to connect better with the audience. Let me show you how to actually use better words. Let me show you how to engage the audience better. Let me show you how to make a powerful impact. That's what a leader does. So make sure you become a great leader, and whatever you stand for, be firm about it, proud about it, because a leader does not tell people what they want to hear. A leader tells people what they need to hear. And I know you needed to hear this today. Bishal Sarkar here, always reminding you that confidence is not about perfection. It's all about connection.
I'm a man on a